Hi, I'm Cheryl from BookWidgets, and in today's teacher tip, I will show you how to add important information to your widget using the About tab. Navigate to bookwidgets.com, log into your account, and follow along with me. You can now provide more information about your widget using the About tab. This is useful for crediting the widget creator, adding lesson information, video links, showing the last edit date, including standards, or outlining the intention of a widget when sharing with your fellow teachers. Make sure to press Done when you've entered all of the information inside the About tab. This information is not visible to your students, so you may consider it a personal educator note. Want more teacher tips? Be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more BookWidgets Teacher Tips.